Impact of driver health on safety in commercial truck driving by Pro Ride Holdings Ltd. In the commercial trucking industry, driver health plays a critical role in ensuring road safety. In Canada and the USA, the well-being of drivers is paramount, not just for their personal health, but also for the safety of all road users. Commercial truck drivers face unique health challenges due to the nature of their job. Long hours behind the wheel, irregular sleep patterns, limited access to healthy and fresh food, and high levels of stress can lead to various health issues such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and sleep disorders. These conditions not only affect the driver's quality of life but also significantly impact their driving performance. Sleep disorders, particularly sleep apnea, are prevalent among truck drivers. This condition can cause fatigue, reduced reaction times, and impaired judgment, increasing the risk of accidents. Regular medical checkups and timely diagnosis are essential to manage these health issues effectively. Mental health is another crucial aspect. The solitary nature of the job can lead to loneliness, depression, and anxiety. These mental health challenges can distract drivers, reduce their alertness, and compromise safety. Promoting mental well-being through support networks, counseling services, and stress management programs is vital. At Pro Ride Holdings Ltd., we emphasize the importance of comprehensive health and wellness programs for drivers. Regular physical examinations, access to fitness facilities, healthy meal options, and mental health support can make a significant difference. Companies should invest in wellness programs that encourage drivers to adopt healthier lifestyles, which in turn will enhance their safety on the road. Moreover, education and training on the importance of health and its impact on safety should be integral parts of a driver's ongoing professional development. By raising awareness and providing the necessary resources, we can create a safer environment for everyone on the road. Remember, a healthy driver is a safe driver. At Pro Ride Holdings Ltd., we are committed to enhancing fleet safety and compliance through innovative solutions and expert guidance. Join us in our mission to make the roads safer for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and join us for more insightful videos. Visit our website and follow us on social media to stay updated with our latest content and safety tips.